Welcome back to YouTube channel. We are just here at Krumhuk for a game drive and please do enjoy.
Hello friends, good morning. I am going to make a new video on my YouTube channel and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Huh? Huh?
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
please subscribe. Huh?
It's always like, and it's always like, you guys already took pictures. Even I take a review of it. It's always like,
It's a video.
what? Stop it. And we think it's a picture.
Gerard.
Guys, the rocks in Namibia impress. No.
They are about them. That's what the rocks is. The rocks are, good rocks.
Bro,
Are you making me?
It feels more weird when it's a video.
They are German speaker, but in a very range. Like English a bit better. But they should they should talk in German. If that is okay for you.
Okay for me, no problem. I'm Ulf.
Ich bin Vivi.
Ich bin Gerald. Antonia.
Ich heiße Bernard.
I won't remember Ulf. I will remember Vivi because I think you're leading the group.
Yes, kind of. I try my best.
There's also an assistant here, Antonia.
Good, Antonia.
Antonia. Yeah, so if you have any question, Antonia is also paying in the end. So it's not you anymore, right? Are we the same
So, what's up, guys? And welcome back to
Welcome to my channel.
my YouTube channel. And today's
It's shaking.
yeah, it's checking, my guy.
Are you checking your seatbelt on? Put on your seatbelt.
Gerard, you fall.
You said I will see on the ground.
Because man.
It's okay.
So, today,
Bring the phone.
I'm talking to my people, guys.
Bring the phone.
I'm talking to my people, guys. So today, we are busy with the game drive.
That's what I used to do.
Cannot bring iPhone 15.
Welcome to Bennett's YouTube channel, guys.
Let me show you a trick. Mariam, can you hold it?
It's a free, so I take more.
Yeah,
How do you want me to?
No, I want you to also in.
Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. We are just here at Krumhuk for a game drive and please do enjoy.
Oh, check the view. Oh, something like camping, yeah. Yo, but these things of using a mobile, you guys will miss out, man. Like the animals and all those stuffs. I was zooming in, but like a mobile is weak. But yeah, enjoy and subscribe it. Eh? What's your problem, man? You know, even the milk for the zebra, it's like black and white.
Thank you.
Eh? Yeah, even the milk, black and white.
Adorable, like they are cute, actually. Now they are running away.
milk is what? Let's get back to that.
The milk.
I think I've realized our
It's black and white.
They're always like chubby.
You see, even here, I was trying to zoom into, the zebras and all those stuffs. But the phone, the mobile cell is not make sure. But if you have, sharp vision, you will see like some movements, like the animals running.
Can you see the oryx also at the end where the zebras are running through the yellow? Like two of them.
Oh, yeah.
Wanda is having a nice experience.
Like you were they are doing the most. The oryx are too.
Yeah, and I'm still learning how to edit, guys. Like edit videos and all those stuff. Those reels. Like you'll have like a background music. Like I actually know how to put like a background music. I'm putting on like this background sound and all that. But for the music, I don't know which one exactly. So it's a bit tricky. So here, a young lecture, like just going on, yeah.
How effective is the windmill?
Say again, how?
How effective is the windmill? Like, does it pump more than the solar?
Yeah, it is very effective because there is always a little wind. And then it turns, it pumps the water. So there is always actually wind, and we are quite high here where the windmill is.
What's wrong with you?
I'm looking forward. I'm not there, bro.
Just look like that.
Poison. Poison, you can walk, Mos. Eh?
It's not far.
Come on, see. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Why do you have to stand like that, bruh? Not sitting, I'm standing.
Are you that tall?
Come to think about it, there's nothing here to stop me. This is so cold here, bruh. Please run away. Oryx. I don't want to see meat when I see it. I want to see meat, guys.
Yo, they're running for their lives, man. Maybe there was. You see, like those small things there. Those are springboks, bruh. But it's because it's a mobile. It's a zoomed, but higher, nothing. And we're not. It's a why you not subscribe, that though? Subscribe, it's a not you, but yeah, there's this one that didn't subscribe. It's a hey, bro, that's Joe or what? It's a.
Just like Chinese.
Everything is just chichi. Water point.
I want to look at the dried up.
You can see a water dam. It is rainwater, but as you can see, the water is very little there.
Yeah.
And in a 3-4 weeks' time, it will be dry. And then the game will come down probably to the farmstead because there is water, or they go to this side. There's also water on that side. This area, we call it the Golden Plain, Golden Aue in Deutsch. And this is the area, this whole plain.
So guys, we are just finished with
Game drive. Is it a bit? Okay.
with the game drive.
Yeah.
So
and
now we are going to have something to eat.
so Bernard, how did you feel about the game drive? Be careful. I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
It's honestly nice. Like wow.
Just really nice. Too bad the animals were running, so I
What did you see?
didn't really get them on cam. I saw
Oryx,
oryx, I saw springboks,
I
I
saw
saw
kudu,
kudus, I
Vinya
saw
Falls. What else?
squirrels,
Yeah, squirrels all over. We also saw monkeys.
also saw baboons,
Yeah, I don't know monkeys. I don't know.
and we also
But
saw
yeah.
pigs.
Yes, and also the bees.
The bees, yeah. That's why I'm scared.
Pigs,
I thought it followed
chicken,
us.
and
So
the
what,
horses.
what are your plans? What are you planning on eating?
I hope they have cheesecake
Just
and
kidding.
cappuccino
No, I don't have time. I mean, meat.
and meat also, guys. Meat nyana. Something.
This one wants
nyana.
us to cut out.
You guys should subscribe, like, and comment. You know.
Okay, let's go. So we are now off for a farm tour.
Be careful. I will.
Then you need to go to the garden. Because they're out of piglets. It's also really nice to see them. You saw them already.
You have to be careful that the dog is not in the car after.
Guys, this vlogging things, it's not the one. It's not for me. But I'ma try for you guys. Help garden. Yeah.
I tell you when we had classes coming, like grade 1 and 2, they come here, they are thinking, what is that? They have no idea what that is.
Yeah, I'm afraid of that. Ooh, it's because me, I'm the person who can also get it all the time.
Take your style. Take your.
I am bored. Of course.
All the ladies on the picture.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Really?
Oh, it's a video? Is it a video?
So guys, we just finished our lunch. I am full. The food was good. So now we are about to get some group pictures and then go to the shop, check what you can buy, and then back to Windhoek. What are you telling them?
All I can say is that the lunch was great, man. You guys should check out this farm, Krumhuk farm. It's just some few kilometers out of Windhoek. On your way, like going to Rehoboth.
And them you're supposed to tell them to also sub.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel.
What's up, guys? Unfortunately, I couldn't vlog when we were in the shop and all those stuff. But yeah, that was the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope this is a comeback to YouTube, you know. This is a comeback to YouTube, and hopefully more content. And yeah, more content, bro. If you reach this far, thank you so much. And if you have reached this far and you still haven't subscribed, then I don't know what's going on, like what's happening. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends, with anyone, actually, your enemies too. Because Sabawol something like 1K subscribers. Yeah.
Go to work.